Good morning. Myself, R. Mahavira, Department of Information Technology, Hindustan College of Information Technology. The today presentation, the basics of network and networking. What is network? A group of interconnection or a systems of interconnected people or things. Why network? The connections, the connection between two devices, the communication between one network to another network. Where? Networks. When we need to transfer any data, any information, anything, use network. A computer network is a device that connected by communication links. A node can be a computer or printer or any other device that capable of sending and receiving a data generated by other node on the networks. The examples of network: the connected, wired, the device, one device to another device, or mobile device, or laptop, or desktop, or tablet, or any networks. Connection between any network. Networking is a process of communications between two or more remote parties that involve the connections of computers, media, and network device. Another examples of network application: the network application connected many applications like mobile device, electronic mail, person to person, world wide web. Then file you can stored in the network and interact with one person to another person. Many applications in the network. So what is the advantages we are using network? So easy communication between the end user, the file, data and information sharing in the networks, the resource sharing or hardware or software or any resource sharing. They increase the storage capacity in the internet. The reduced cost, communication cost or storage cost or any other cost, and save time. The different types of network applications, the peer-to-peer connections. A peer-to-peer connection refer a communication connection between two communication endpoint or node. The multiple points. A multiple point connection is a link between three or more devices. It is also known as multiple drop configuration. The network having multiple point configuration are called broadband network. The broadband network, a message or a packet sent by the machine is reserved by all other mechanism in a network. The categories of networks: the local area network, wide area networks, and metropolitan area network. The local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as building or office. The local area network is used for connection between two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as twisted pair cable or coaxial cable or fiber optical cables. It is less costly. It is built with inexpensive hardware such as hub or network adapter and Ethernet cable. The data is transferred on extremely faster in local area networks. The local area networks provide high security. Next, the metropolitan area networks is a network that cover a large graphical area by interconnecting between the local area network to form a large network in the metropolitan area network. A government agency using metropolitan area network to connect to the citizens and private industries. In metropolitan area networks, the various local area network to connect to each other through the telephone exchange line or communication medium. The most widely used, the protocol MAN or RS-232 and frame relay, ATM, ISDN, etc. It has a higher range of local area networks. Wide area networks. A wide area network is a network that extends over a large graphical area such as states and country. A wide area network is quite bigger network than the local area networks. A wide area networks not limited a single location, but it span over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optical cable or satellite link. The internet is one of the biggest wide area network in the world. The wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government and education. The network category, the performance of networks, the transmit time and response times. The reliability of networks, the recovery from the failure node. The security, the protecting data from unauthorized user or damaged packets. Thank you. Thank you very much.